Hey guys, welcome to another SaaS landing page teardown. Today we have frame.io, which previously didn't really have that great of a landing page because I've teared it down before, but now I think they have a pretty good landing page, right? So they talk about the next generation of creative collaboration, which sounds like not really a great headline, but they do have the rest of the page kind of compensates for it, right? So essentially what they do is they have this really good video editor where it's easy to collaborate, and then you can actually run through projects way easier than just any other editor like Adobe Premiere and stuff like that, right? So I would have another headline that's more about what is the collaboration about and who could be involved and so on and so forth. And they have like way too much space here in the video, which is a little bit off, but they do show like the collaboration side right away, right? You can see that multiple people saw it, that they left comments. You can leave comments with this individual timestamp, right? So it's clear that this is easy to collaborate, and it has like needs review, so it has a project manager part to it, right? So it has annotations within the comments, which is great because then you can actually know what people are talking about. This is perfect, super visual. It talks about the comments again, which is great. It talks about the emotions and mentions and stuff like that, which it actually would switch into more around getting approval and getting comments and tracking the progress of each item in each video rather than putting emphasis on the emojis and stuff like that. Then he talks about like the before and after. It kind of compares what other tools do and how they feel, where this is really cool. I would show it earlier on, but it basically shows that other companies have no real collaboration part to it, right? It's just too hard to collaborate. Then when they talk about sharing, the unlimited sharing is something that I would show right in the hero, that you can have unlimited guests and have X amount of editors. This definitely has to be clear on the pricing because people might have really big teams, but only a couple people actually editing the video. And if they think they're actually going to have to pay more just to have people collaborate, that's going to throw them off and think it's going to be way more expensive than it actually is. And I think that part needs to be addressed a little bit better, right? The sharing part is okay. Like I said, that needs to be a little bit better. And one thing that they didn't talk about is they didn't talk about templates. They didn't talk about multiple videos. They didn't talk about long projects. They didn't talk about this part right here, where you can download all the files and you can create your own custom page. Because for agencies, they really like that, to have a white label page where they can download things. They don't talk about client collaboration. They don't talk about one of the most important parts, which is the project management side, right? So even if they have external project management tools, it's really key to not only have different stages, to be able to customize that, to be able for anyone to be able to change the stage, and maybe that it integrates directly with Asana or a ClickUp or something like that, where if something is deemed as approved in Frame, it would show up in ClickUp, right? So these are all things that agencies and big companies and people that actually have a big team and all these processes in place, they really care about this because this is the thing that I would kind of make them switch over, right? So the page is very visual. There are some places where it kind of wastes a lot of space, but it's still pretty good. It's a little bit too long, and it's missing out on a few of these features. But yeah, it's still a pretty good page, right? So let us know what you think about it in the comments. And if you have any questions, just let us know in the comments as well, or any other company that I think does this better. But overall, it's still a pretty good example. And if you like some help rewriting your page to make sure that it gets more conversion and attracts more enterprise leads, more of those bigger companies that are more skeptical because they have like just higher demands, without turning off the smaller companies that are attracting and right now is probably paying the bills and helping you grow in the same time. Let me know, just DM me on LinkedIn, or maybe just go to my website, kritis.design/apply, and book a call directly to see if I can help you, right? So yeah, just let me know and talk soon. Bye-bye.